Welcome to Wise Wednesdays, a weekly video series where we give you BBB tips and advice to help you become a wiser consumer. I'm Nicole Thomas, Director of Communications for BBB, serving Northern Indiana, and today we're talking about dent repair scams. BBB Scam Tracker has had multiple reports of a new parking lot dent repair scam. The con is perpetrated when someone approaches a driver in a parking lot about repairing dents in their vehicle. The scammer claims to fix dents professionally and offers their services for a low price. The repair person may even try to sway the victim by convincing them that they're supporting a small business. Once the victim agrees to the repairs, the repair person will begin making repairs that could ruin the exterior of the vehicle. One victim told BBB Scam Tracker, "He was fixing my car while I was in the store shopping. When I came out, he had drilled a bunch of holes into the body of my car. He told me it was the standard procedure to drill holes in order to pull out the dent. Then he put a black putty thing all over the holes and told me not to take it off until 24 hours later. When I tried to take off the putty, it looked worse than before." Some victims even reported that con artists became aggressive when they questioned the legitimacy of the repair. They can put pressure on victims to not complain or pursue reimbursements for the damage. Use BBB tips to avoid this scam. Number 1, be wary of unsolicited offers. This kind of scam starts with someone who just happened to drive by and noticed the car needed repair. If you're approached by a stranger in a parking lot offering repair services of any kind, be careful, ask questions, and if they have a business card, offer to check out the company they say they're representing to see if it is in fact legitimate. Number 2, don't fall for high-pressure sales tactics. Scammers will often pressure their target to accept their offer, demand full payment upfront with a statement that the person will never get a better price anywhere else. In addition, they only have time to do the repairs at that moment. High pressure, now or never sales tactics are a hallmark of a scam. Number 3, if the price is too good to be true, it probably is. Price should never be the deciding factor in your purchase. Always research repairmen and repair shops before doing business. Look up reviews and business ratings of any repair person or company before agreeing to any service. If you're dealing with an individual repairman, ask for references to call and verify the quality of the work. If a person can't wait for you to research and compare companies, find someone else to do the job or explain to the imposing salesperson that the problem can be taken care of somewhere else. Number 4, visit BBB.org to find a trusted repairman. BBB maintains business profiles on millions of businesses across the country. Use these profiles at BBB.org to research repairmen in the area and find a trustworthy one. If you spot a scam, whether you've lost money or not, report it to BBB's Scam Tracker at bbb.org/scam tracker and the FTC at reportfraud.ftc.gov. Your story can help other consumers avoid similar scams. Thank you for watching, and remember that we post a video here every week to help you become a wiser consumer. See you next Wednesday.